Welcome to this module, a part of the Cisco Collaboration Software as a Service authorization for Cisco partners. In this module, we will cover the Cisco Collaboration Flex Plan, mapping the journey to the cloud and subscription for Cisco Collaboration. In this module, you will learn the market dynamics and move to the cloud that the Cisco Collaboration Flex Plan addresses, features of the Cisco Collaboration Flex Plan, the related opportunities, selling motions, and compelling events, the tools to use, and where to learn more. Let's get started. Many of your customers are looking to move to the cloud in a timely and controlled way. They're also looking for a commercial model that aligns to the way they want to purchase collaboration, that is, via subscriptions. As you will see in this module, the Cisco Collaboration Flex Plan is a significant win-win for partners and customers. It represents the next wave of how to sell and deploy collaboration software to organizations, large and small, in this era of cloud computing and software as a service. Before we begin describing the Collaboration Flex Plan, let's put this plan into a larger context. In this era of subscriptions and software as a service, partners have found success in using a four-step strategy to grow their business: land, adopt, expand, and renew. Get customers started with new collaboration capabilities and really experience the benefits. Then add more users and services to the existing framework and scale, scale, scale. Your ultimate success will be in recurring and growing revenue from customers that have adopted Cisco collaboration services as they expand and renew their collaboration services and realize the benefits. Cisco Collaboration Flex Plan is the easiest way for customers to consume our suite of collaboration experiences, meetings, calling, and teams via subscription. Collaboration Flex Plan provides the option to expand the customer's existing on-premises deployments and/or take advantage of the flexibility offered by cloud-based Cisco collaboration services and mix and match on-premises and cloud-based subscriptions for different teams of users to simplify the transition to the cloud. Flexibility is a key part of the value proposition. Collaboration services are delivered via subscription, and this subscription enables the customer to maintain their on-premises collaboration capabilities while they map their transition to the cloud in a time frame appropriate to them. The Cisco Collaboration Flex Plan is a radically simplified way to buy the Cisco collaboration portfolio. The Collaboration Flex Plan entitles customers to purchase Cisco's industry-leading collaboration tools with one simple subscription-based offer that will streamline the transition to the cloud. Choose to equip employees with meetings, calling, or both, and add more subscribers at any time. Also included is the option to purchase Cisco Contact Center via the Flex Plan as a subscription. And seamlessly drive enhanced team collaboration with Cisco Webex Teams, which is included when the customer purchases meetings or when they purchase calling, or both meetings and calling. One agreement covers software, entitlements, and technical support for cloud-based and on-premises services. Contact Center has its own separate agreement. The shift to a subscription model for enterprise software is coupled with a shift to hosting software in the cloud. Gartner estimates that by 2020, more than 80% of software vendors will change from traditional licenses and maintenance fees to subscription models. To meet this market demand, the Cisco Collaboration Flex Plan is Cisco's answer for how to sell Cisco collaboration products and services in this changing landscape. When we speak to customers about collaboration, we hear the following things. Users do not want to focus on the technology behind solutions. They want tools that just work, that help people get the job done, and that deliver business value in the most efficient manner possible. Customers want to see value from collaboration, but also the feature set needs to align with where their organization is heading using strategies such as software as a service and enable customers to pay per user, per month. Today's organization buyer is looking for agility. Today's buyer needs to meet the changing needs of their organizations. In order to ensure that business goals are met, employees need flexible services tailored to their needs as quickly as possible. Prioritizing business imperatives. At the same time, Enterprises need to manage their spending according to budgeting needs, while protecting existing investments in current solutions, which may include an on-premises infrastructure. Stronger relationships. The purchasing model needs to be sufficiently scalable and flexible to enable the business to continue to grow, making it easy to add new capabilities as they move forward. This is also where the strength of customer, partner, vendor relationships is important, as the customer needs to be sure that the partner, vendor will be responsive to their needs. The buyer needs to closely manage investment while ensuring that existing investments are not wasted, to avoid a rip and replace approach. In summary, make sure that existing devices and apps continue to work with new services, and vice versa. Retain existing investment in on-premises infrastructure while adding new services, which may be cloud-based, and closely manage budgets and deployments. Let's summarize the Cisco collaboration portfolio. This is what we are selling: calling, meetings, Teams, and contact center, all on a common platform. Wherever the customer is today, we can migrate the customer to the next step to achieve their business objectives. The customer can mix and match on-premises, hybrid, cloud, and hosted, and any combination of these environments. Hybrid services are critical to helping customers transition to greater flexibility. A unique capability within the Cisco Collaboration Flex Plan ensures that, as customers move from on-premises to the cloud with a Cisco collaboration experience, their experience is seamless. For example, customers need to be able to manage how their on-premises corporate directory can align with services that are being delivered from the cloud. Cisco has a hybrid connector to ensure that alignment. Cisco has a solution for this use case, as well as many more, to help with the on-premises to cloud transition. Get your customers grounded in this value proposition. Collaboration Flex Plan is the best way to pay for Cisco collaboration. It is the simplified, single subscription commercial offer that mirrors what we are providing inside the portfolio. Contact Center requires an additional subscription in Collaboration Flex Plan. Let's better understand the key features of the Collaboration Flex Plan and ultimately the opportunity for you. The Flex in the Collaboration Flex Plan delivers deployment flexibility. As a subscriber to Flex Plan, the customer has access to cloud, on-premises, and hosted solutions, and the customer can mix the deployment models, all under one common subscription that can be used to streamline the journey to the cloud. The architecture allows partners to take the customer through different deployments, and Cisco has the subscriber plan to match the multifaceted deployment architecture. Second, the subscription plan is like any other subscription plan. This is the way customers want to buy software. Third, we have built the offer in a suite-based approach. Meetings, calling, team collaboration, and also contact center are all part of the same suite. Fourth, take the customer on a land and expand journey. Start with a subset of the employees and grow from there. This is an ongoing theme in this training, and you will see it mentioned in several contexts. With our eye on the transition to the cloud, we aren't selling different flavors of call control or meetings. This radically simplifies our offer. Everyone gets access to the most up-to-date features currently deployed in the software. This is a key departure from the previous models for selling enterprise software. Gone are the major and minor releases, paying for upgrades, and having users on different releases. Everyone gets the same version currently hosted in the system. Over all these points, we are driving simplification. That is, how our customers purchase services and how you articulate the offer and its suite of capabilities. The Cisco Collaboration Flex Plan reflects Cisco's strategic direction for collaboration by enabling customers to purchase via subscriptions, enabling them to manage budgets easily and add new services as needed. Mix cloud and on-premises model in one agreement. Shift from CapEx to OpEx budgeting and purchasing, and streamline the transition to the cloud. One agreement covers software, features, services, and technical support. Collaboration Flex Plan provides a choice of buying models for different services: Enterprise Agreement, or EA, Active User, or AU, and named user, or NU. When we launched the Collaboration Flex Plan, we focused on enterprise-wide agreements, where all employees are entitled to all the Cisco collaboration capabilities. We have introduced active user agreements for when customers are not 100% sure how much of a meeting's capability they require, and they need a simple model to allow them to get the value from Cisco meetings now, and then grow as their organization adopts the service. We have also introduced the named user model for meetings and calling. This model is more focused at the transactional level. That is, a customer can start with giving a department, or even one subscriber, the availability of Cisco meeting and/or calling. Let's look at each of the buying models in the Cisco Collaboration Flex Plan. The first offer is our Enterprise Agreement model. This enables all knowledge workers in an organization, that is, anyone who has a phone and a desktop, with Cisco Collaboration. Active User is a model where the customer pays for what meetings they actually use. The customer gets company-wide access, just like in an enterprise agreement, with a subscription that is annually true forward, based on the average usage from the previous year. It's great for customers standardizing on Cisco Webex and ramping up active usage. Actual usage is measured annually in months 9, 10, and 11 to determine charges for the following year. Active users allow you to closely track the return on your customer's investment. With the Collaboration Flex Plan Active User, customers can purchase subscriptions for a minimum of 40 active users, or 15% or more of their knowledge workers. As active usage of meetings increases, the active user subscription quantity increases with an annual true forward calculation. More about true forward later in this module. The named user model is focused on line of businesses and departments. It is a transactional model that allows purchasing down to the single subscriber for meetings and calling. Customers might start with a small number of subscribers on meetings or calling and grow with time into active user for meetings or enterprise agreement for meetings and/or calling. In addition to enabling customers to purchase meeting services via a subscription, we are also enabling them to buy the Cisco video devices via subscription, including the Cisco Webex board, more easily. This empowers your customers with the richest meeting experiences that can be delivered by any vendor. Meetings with embedded video delivered from the cloud via Cisco video devices. So, how do you estimate, quote, and order the Cisco Collaboration Flex Plan? To order, in the majority of cases, you just need one SKU, A-Flex. A is for annuity, and Flex is for the Cisco Collaboration Flex Plan. That is all you need to remember for quoting. If you are quoting or including Contact Center in the Flex Plan, remember to use A-Flex CC and you are ready to go. In Cisco Commerce Workspace, we have made many changes to make it easier for you, such as focusing on more natural language questions in the quoting experience. We have focused on simplification at every stage. As you take your customer on the land, adopt, expand, renew journey, you will find these improvements accelerate your time to revenue. Just open up the customer subscription and make the change from named user buying model to active or enterprise agreement. Partners have a number of options within Collaboration Flex Plan to meet the use cases that customers might possibly need. For customers who need large capacity across their meeting suite experience, we support 1,000 participants, regardless of the type of meeting experience. Cisco Webex meetings, events, and training with Cisco Webex support are included as well. Customers can have unlimited storage. There is no limit on the recording sizes and number. Your customers buy meetings, and they will have what they need with bundled features, including ProPack for Cisco Webex Control Hub for those customers that need compliance, security, and analytics. Your customers get all of this in one subscription with the option of on-premises hosting via Cisco Meeting Server, also referred to as CMS, should the need arise. All these capabilities are included when your customer purchases the FlexPlan Enterprise Agreement or Active User buying models. We have 100% coverage for your customers' use cases. If your customer wants to go all in for Cisco calling, they would select an Enterprise Agreement. Or if they just want to deploy for small departments, they would select the named user option. The result is that we have a flex plan offer to address your customer's needs. If the customer is interested in moving to a subscription model, we provide investment protection. End customers may trade in eligible perpetual licenses and active Swiss contracts in exchange for a purchase adjustment on Cisco Collaboration Flex Plan. To determine your customer's purchase adjustment, use this link for more information and work with your Cisco Collaboration specialist. Please note, terms of this program are subject to change. Get up-to-date information at cs.co/flexplan. Check the link at the end of the module for the most current terms regarding this program. True Forward is an annual process for the Flex Plan that matches the customer subscription with usage data, is applicable to both Enterprise Agreement and Active User Flex Plan buying models, and provides for the mixing of offers within the Collaboration Flex Plan, resulting in variable True Forward triggers. Growth is measured above the 20% knowledge worker base throughout the term of the contract, measured annually on each anniversary of effective date. For example, in an enterprise agreement of 1,000, if the customer's usage exceeds 20%, for example 201, the contract will be reset to 1,001 subscribers, so the true usage is still within 20% of the contract. True Forward is applicable to Enterprise Agreement and Active User buying models, as is. When True Forward is triggered, this is good news. It means the customer is adopting the service in greater numbers, and that means more recurring revenue for the partner. Devices can be attached to your Collaboration Flex Plan. There are two models. The customer can buy the device up front, or they can buy the device as a subscription and attach the device as part of the Flex Plan. If they buy the device up front, their ongoing device registration subscription is included in their meeting subscription in the Flex Plan. If they purchase the device via subscription, the device registration needs to be purchased separately from the Flex Plan. For example, let's consider the Cisco Webex board. The customer can buy it outright on a commercial model and attach it to a Flex Plan, or the customer can buy the hardware device at a lower initial cost and use a separately purchased subscription to register the Webex board. The customer can get up and running at a competitive price, while the partner gets recurring revenue on the subscription. The customer will own the device either way after payments are concluded. There are a wide variety of devices available under this plan. Cisco developed the Flip to Flex tool to assist Cisco partners and sellers with identifying the best Collaboration Flex Plan buying model for that customer via a series of simple questions. There are two tools. Flip to Flex Discovery Tool is used to get an initial price. It will help you qualify a prospect in just 3 steps in just a few minutes. Easy. The Flip to Flex portal is used to configure and compare Flex plans with traditional Cisco licensing models and to generate accurate, adjusted configurations. With both tools, you can engage with Flex Plan sales acceleration resources to help you book opportunities quickly and accurately. Decide which Flex Plan is right for your customer. You get access to a Cisco Collaboration specialist in your customer's region to help you complete the sales cycle prospecting and qualification activities successfully. We are here for you. This online tool takes you through the decision tree, step by step. Try it out. When talking to your customer, use these 5 points to drive home the value that Cisco Collaboration delivers consistently. Cisco Collaboration drives speed and agility, is easy to use, is reliable, puts security first, and is mobile first. In essence, it drives value and business benefit for the customer so they can get work done more quickly and efficiently and drive transformation in their business. Of course, adoption is essential to drive that value for the customer. Without adoption, the customer will struggle to realize these benefits. The Cisco Collaboration Flex Plan is the easiest and fastest way for the customer to consume Cisco Collaboration. It is the commercial construct to enable the customer journey to Cisco Collaboration, to subscription, and to the cloud. Of course, your customer is going to have many questions, or what-abouts, and the Flex Plan addresses all of those. The customer is moving from CapEx to OpEx in a journey to the cloud. The CIO will be asking for a clear migration from on-premises to cloud. They will want to understand about integration, support, and interoperability. The CFO will want to know about cost and the journey from CapEx to OpEx. Users and the line of business will want to know about the desktop experience and how it helps them be more productive and drive transformation. The Flex Plan addresses these migration concerns with a commercial offer that enables the customer to get from where they are today to Cisco collaboration. Your customer will be wondering, what about my installed base? They may be concerned about the depreciated value of their existing collaboration assets, or about how to manage the transition from a technology perspective. The Flex Plan allows your customer to manage, in their time, their journey to the cloud, while transitioning their current on-premises environment into a subscription model now. As already mentioned earlier in this module, Cisco provides the Flex Plan Value Transfer, which is a trade-in program that allows the customer to trade in their existing on-premises Cisco Collaboration perpetual licenses and Cisco software support, also known as Swiss, and in some cases third-party licenses, as part of the mix. Let's summarize the value of the Collaboration Flex Plan this way. Please take a moment to review these key points. In summary, make these 6 points to your customers. 1. The Flex Plan provides the latest Cisco collaboration capabilities for a customer organization. 2. It is one subscription for meetings, calling, and Teams, and an additional subscription for Contact Center. 3. It will enable the customer to migrate to the cloud in a time frame appropriate to their business without disrupting their business. 4. The Flex Plan can recognize the customer's current Cisco collaboration licenses. 5. The customer can deploy from on-premises or the cloud, or a mix of both. And 6. The Flex Plan provides a suite of tools and capabilities to manage that transition. The Cisco Collaboration Flex Plan is critical for all customers making the subscription and cloud journey with Cisco Collaboration. Look for these compelling events. These are good times to talk to a customer about the Flex Plan. Swiss renewal. This is a really important, compelling event when the customer needs to make an investment to renew their Swiss contract. With the Flex Plan, Swiss is bundled into the plan. This is a good time to talk to the customer. Going to subscription or going to cloud? Watch for the signs. If the CFO is pushing a move to subscription, or the IT team is talking about a move to the cloud, this is a great time to talk with the customer about the Flex Plan. Already using Webex meetings? If the customer is already using Cisco Webex at renewal, sell the Flex Plan and add calling if possible, even if the order is for a few calling named user subscribers. It is a step forward on the land, adopt, expand, and renew journey for you and your customer. Vice versa is true as well. If your customer has Cisco calling, upsell on meetings. It's a great opportunity for you. Expanding due to mergers or acquisitions? This is a key opportunity to talk to the customer. They are making a change. Maybe they are upgrading an existing Cisco or competitive infrastructure. This is a great time to talk about the Flex Plan and help your customer with their merger and acquisition journey. We have heard from successful sellers. Identify your customer targets and segments using heat maps and prioritize 1 to 3. Great targets, maybes, or for another day. Use the criteria above to identify those compelling events. Demo and sell customers on the end user experience that is delightful and easy to use. Sell the suite, calling with meetings and meetings with calling. Attaching adoption services is the key. Lead with the Collaboration Flex Plan. Let's summarize what's in it for you. Each of these points will lead to an increased revenue stream, which, if managed correctly, will continue to grow and deliver for you as a partner. Work closely with the customer. Drive adoption. Some adoption services may be offered at no cost, and others can be offered for a fee. This is a potential new stream of revenue for you. You will find yourself working with the line of business, not just the IT department. Now you can cross-sell and upsell to them. Identify other use cases, and you can access additional budgets. Ultimately, you become stickier to the customer. Delivering collaboration is as simple as 1, 2, 3. First, grow from named user to active user for meetings, or named user to enterprise agreement for meetings and calling. Then go on to the land, adopt, expand, renew journey. Lead with the meeting experience, bundled audio, unlimited storage, and expanded scale. Finally, collaboration is easy to buy, easy to upsell, and easy to align to the land, adopt, expand, renew model with the tools we use at Cisco. Your customers get the speed and agility they require to take their business to the next level. Bookmark these resources and subscribe to the bot. Please go to the resources link at the end of this module to access the resources referenced in this module and to learn more. Next, let's check your knowledge on something we've covered in this module. Collaboration Flex Plan supports which of the following? Webex meetings and video endpoints. Webex meetings and calling on-premises and/or cloud, Webex Teams, and on-premises or customer journey platform. Only cloud-based collaboration solutions. What is the best answer? The correct answer is B. Webex meetings and calling on-premises and/or cloud, Webex Teams, and on-premises or customer journey platform. Which of the following buying models does Collaboration Flex Plan support? Named user, enterprise agreements, and active user and named user, perpetual licenses, and Swiss. What is the best answer? The correct answer is A, named user, enterprise agreements, and active user. In this module, we covered the market dynamics and move to the cloud that the Cisco Collaboration Flex Plan addresses, features of the Cisco Collaboration Flex Plan, the related opportunities, selling motions, and compelling events, the tools to use, and where to learn more. Thanks for watching.